In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Google Calendar view, day, week, month. Open Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed in. For this walkthrough, we're starting in a typical week view around the week of January 18th, 2026, but the steps are the same no matter the date. At the top of your calendar, you'll see the current view label, usually something like day, week, or month, alongside a small drop-down arrow. That arrow is your control center for switching how your schedule is displayed. Click the drop-down arrow next to the current view label and choose day. Your calendar now focuses on a single day laid out in a clear hourly timeline. This view is ideal when you're juggling back-to-back appointments and need to see precisely how your day stacks up. If you don't see the whole day at once, scroll to move through the hours. You'll notice all day items appear at the top, with timed events aligned to their exact time slots. This makes it easy to spot gaps for new meetings or see where your busiest blocks are. Next, open that same dropdown again and switch to week. The week view lays out your schedule across 7 columns, giving you a wide-angle look at how your time is distributed. It's excellent for planning ahead, identifying conflicts, and balancing tasks across different days. All-day events sit along the top row, while color coding from your calendars helps you distinguish personal, work, or shared schedules at a glance. Depending on your settings, your week might start on Sunday or Monday. Either way, the structure is the same and just as useful. Now click the drop-down once more and select month. The month view provides a high-level overview of everything on your plate. Each day shows a compact list of events, which is perfect for spotting busy stretches and planning travel, deadlines, or recurring commitments. All-day events appear as bars across the days they span, and timed events are summarized so you can quickly scan the big picture. Keep in mind that month view is designed for overview rather than fine detail. Use day or week when you need precision. You can switch between day, week, and month anytime using that same drop-down. None of these changes affect your events, they simply change how they're displayed. A quick tip: when you're in any view, the left and right arrows near the date let you move forward or backward in time without changing the view you've selected. That's all you need to customize your Google Calendar view quickly and confidently. Practice switching between day, week, and month to match the level of detail you need, and you'll navigate your schedule more efficiently every day.